This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T14 Gen 6 AMD. First, the power adapter. It's a 65-watt USB-C. Can't take this thing off very easily, but I won't. Couple regulatory papers. So we'll go over the ports on it. So this is the optional smart card and SIM card options if you got those. I didn't. This is a regular full-size USB, full-size Ethernet, Kensington lock slot, fan output there, 2 USB-C, full-size HDMI, another full-size USB, and a combo audio port. Then on the bottom, there is a reset hole up here. That's it. And then I think like the Gen 5s, a couple differences with the keyboard, with the Copilot button, and some of the F key changes the print screen up there. And same feel for the touchpad and keyboard, and the dual mics at the front with a little privacy switch up here. That is it. And the fingerprint reader on the power button as well.